Hey guys. So, I reached into the box of locks that I got from Neo Sapien. I did have to throw them in a box. I usually keep them, so you can see, actually let me show you. Up here, you can see my out box and then all the challenge locks and stuff up there that I get from everyone else. There's so many damn locks in here, I just had to throw them in keep them in the box they came in. So, thought we'd try to clear it out real quick here. Yeah, and they're like the top 6 rows are filled with challenge locks, and then of course you see the out box, and there's some stock locks and other stuff in there too, but well, including padlocks. Pretty much all my locks that aren't in my collection are in there, so challenge locks and whatnot. But yeah, let's try to get this one picked here. I'm gonna have to raise this up a little bit. I messed up my my mount. There we go, that's better. So, I've got a Randy Perkins lock here today. I haven't seen him around in forever, but this will be my first lock of his to pick, if we get into it. Uh-oh. Yeah, it wants to catch a little bit, but it should be alright. So yeah, let's give it a try, see what we can do here. It's got a pretty flat bitting on there, so I'm going to use this Fast Charlie short hook here. I like this, I like the little ledge on there. Nice and flat. I'm starting to like these a little bit better than the thinner tips, because you can grip the pin a little bit better. I know the other ones feel a little more precise, but I like being able to grip the pin better. Alright, I got something in the front there at first, and then something in the back. I think that was like 4 right there. Let's see. A little counter in the back. Yeah, it felt premature. Went and got pin 3 set there. Pin 1. I think we got it. Let me check it. No, we didn't get her set. See if we can get on this little ledge here to pick it. I shouldn't want to go very high. Let me see if I can get under it with a little bit deeper hook here from Fast Charlie as well. Really like using these picks lately. Let's make sure pin 5 isn't holding us up too. It's giving us a little something as well, but could have a T-pin in here, seeing as how the key worked. Okay, I think I got one set there. It's giving us some counter on 5. Okay, got a good click, but it stopped. We didn't drop anything. I think we did drop one. This doesn't want to sit. Could have an undercut here. Yeah, it's got to be that pin in the back. It shouldn't want to set very high either. It's a pretty low cut. Let's go back to that shorter hook just to make sure I'm not poking it too high. Okay, I think I got it. Huh. I think pin 2 here. Just trying to feel around now. Got a little bit from 1 again. feel like I'm hitting the same pins a couple of times here. Maybe a pin and pin inside of this guy or something. Little counter from 1 now. Probably drop something there. Okay, really deep false set now. Man, for not too much of a crazy bidding, this lock is putting up a good fight. Feels like pin 2 there is holding me up. Maybe not. Let's see. We got a T-pin here. Okay, I feel like that's pin 3 now. Maybe that's 4 here. Come on. You know you want to go. A good false set still. I feel like there's still more going on in here. A T-pin lift. Ooh, we dropped it. Let's try the other way. Okay. Yeah, we got some undercuts in here. Calling it right now. Try not to let it go too much into a deep false set now. Give it a start over again and go the same direction I was in the beginning. Okay, little false set again. Off 5, I believe. Okay, we got that deep false set again. Counter from the front. a tricky little bugger. Alright, there's that super deep false set again. Counter in the back here. Man, this thing does not want to open for me. There we go. We got it open. 10 minutes. That was tricky. God. Golly. No, Randy Perkins, I remember him saying back in the day how he doesn't ever try to mess with the biddings too much. He likes to just see what he can do with the regular bidding that the lock comes with. And you can see that's not a crazy bidding, but he did a wonderful job. I know he doesn't even have too many challenge locks out there, but yeah, I can see what he was talking about. Okay, let's get this picked, or opened. I already got it picked, obviously. And I actually have my stuff ready nowadays, so hopefully it don't take too much time. It's like we'll use the, whoop. See if we can slide that out of there. Maybe not. I have a problem getting my tools jammed inside of the lock more than anything lately. Let's see. There we go. There's a clip. I need to get some shorter videos done though. I'm taking forever doing these locks lately. That looks pretty big. I hope that's not too small. Yeah, it might be. Let me get out a slightly bigger plug follower here. Let's see if that's too big or not. No, that's perfect. I'll go with the Corbin-sized one. Maybe it is too big. Got one kind of in between those sizes here. There we go. Yeah, that worked fine. Okay, let's see what we got here. Standard in 1, a really deep T-pin spool in 2, standard in 3. Let me make sure we're back here. 4 is a standard, and 5 is it's like a serrated T-pin as well. All right, let's see what we got up top. First, check the core mods here. He's got threads in 2 and 5. You can see there. It's not very, it's pretty dark inside of there, but yeah, threads in 2 and 5. And you've probably got a drunken spool in 1. I'd explain the really deep false set there. Usually have a hard time with drunken spools anyway. Not much spring pressure on 2, but we got a standard on 2. Another copper spring. Yeah, not much spring pressure there on pin 3 either. Got a shorty little spool there. Same copper spring. And let's go through the... Nope, not happening. I still got to clean up these plug followers a little bit. Okay. 4 was a T-pin. Kind of spooly T-pin. And 5 is a serrated. Okay. All right. And up top, there is nothing done. So 1 is a standard. 2 is this nice little spool T-pin kind of thing. 3 and 4 are standard. And 5 is a really long pin there with a T-pin and a serration. It's kind of another multi-functioning pin. That's a really cool one. And then we've got a drunken spool here in number 1, which gave us our super deep false set. Probably the same with pin 4. Standard in 2. 3 is call that a little spool. And then here's the T-pin, kind of cone-shaped T-pin there. And 5 is a serrated. So yeah, that's what we got from Randy Perkins. With his, whatever that was. It's called a thimble. door core. Anyway, yeah, that's what we got. And thanks again, Neo, for sending this one too. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys next time. All right, bye guys.